A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant policy shift, the Trump administration announced on Friday that it will revoke the temporary legal status of more than 530,000 migrants from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela. This decision, effective April 24th, is part of a broader crackdown on immigration and follows the termination of a 2-year parole program initiated under former President Joe Biden. The program allowed these individuals to enter the United States if they had financial sponsors, granting them work permits and legal status to reside in the country. The announcement was made by Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem, who emphasized that the new policy aims to address what the administration deems as broad abuse of the humanitarian parole system. The revocation of legal status will affect those who entered the U.S. since October 2022 under the Biden-era program. The Department of Homeland Security, DHS, stated that the affected individuals must leave the U.S. before their parole termination date unless they have another legal basis to remain. This move raises concerns about the potential for mass deportations and the impact on families and communities across the nation, as many of these migrants have built lives in the U.S. since their arrival. The decision also follows President Trump's previous remarks about potentially stripping the parole status from approximately 240,000 Ukrainians who fled to the U.S. amid the ongoing conflict with Russia. Trump's administration has been vocal about its efforts to tighten immigration policies, arguing that previous legal entry programs overstepped federal law. The DHS has indicated that the revocation of parole status will facilitate the use of expedited removal processes for those affected, which could expedite deportations for those who do not secure another form of legal status. Critics of the decision, including legal advocates and immigrant rights organizations, have condemned the move as reckless and harmful. Karen Tumlin, founder of the Justice Action Center, expressed deep concern over the chaos that this policy could create, stating that it would result in needless heartbreak for families and communities across the country. Legal challenges are already underway, with lawsuits filed by U.S. citizens and immigrants seeking to reinstate the humanitarian parole program for the affected nationalities. The backdrop of this policy shift includes strained diplomatic relations between the U.S. and the 4 affected countries, which have experienced significant political instability and humanitarian crises. The Biden administration had previously attempted to address the rising levels of illegal immigration from these nations by creating legal pathways for entry, but the Trump administration's latest actions signal a reversal of these efforts. As the April 24th deadline approaches, uncertainty looms for hundreds of thousands of migrants who now face the prospect of losing their legal protections and the possibility of deportation. This situation underscores the ongoing debate surrounding immigration policy in the United States, highlighting the challenges faced by both current and prospective migrants. As the political landscape continues to evolve, the implications of this decision will likely resonate throughout the country, affecting not only the lives of those directly impacted but also the broader discourse on immigration reform and humanitarian policy. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.